The side stretcher is a revolutionary stretching aid. It is a band or strap with loops on either end to hold your feet or hands in place. There are two pulleys that you can use to increase or decrease the intensity of your stretch. Pull down on the non-looped part of the strap to increase the intensity of your stretch. To decrease the intensity of the stretch and release the stretch, pull up on the lip of the buckle and pull down on the looped part of the strap. In the event that you are unable to get out of the stretch, there's an emergency release pressed on either side of the clasp to release it. Place the padded middle section of the strap against your lower back. Place one loop on each of your respective feet. Straighten your legs so that the strap is taut. Bend one knee and pull on the non-looped section of the strap. Then straighten your leg, and you'll see that your legs move further apart. Continue this process of bending one leg, pulling the non-looped section of strap, and then straightening your leg until you reach your maximum stretch. It should be uncomfortable, but not painful. Relax and hold this position. Place the padded middle section of the strap against your lower back. Place each loop on the opposite foot so that it comes across your body and creates an X over the top of your legs. Straighten your legs and lean forward. To increase the stretch on your hamstrings, bend your knees, pull the non-looped sections of strap, and lean forward. Repeat until you feel a strong stretch in your hamstring and calves. You can move the strap up to your upper back, and this will serve to pull your upper body forward towards your legs. Place the padded section against your lower back. Place one loop on the respective feet. Let the straps come across your hips and inner thigh. Pull your feet together and let your knees drop out to the side. Pull on the non-looped section of strap so that your feet are pulled in towards your pelvis, and your upper body is pulled forward towards your paired feet. Continue to tighten and pull on the non-looped section of strap until your body is pulled forward as far as you can go. You can lean backwards so that your feet come off the floor. This allows you to put more pressure on your knees and allow your hips to open up even further. To extricate yourself from the stretch, pull up on the lip of the buckle. Place the padded section of strap over your lower back. Place both loops on the same foot. Tuck the second leg or non-loop leg into your thigh. Tighten the non-looped sections of strap and pull forward towards your extended leg. Allow your body to fall forward and feel the stretch in your hamstring. Relax and breathe. You can sit backwards and the strap will pull your leg up higher. You can lie on your back and this will increase the intensity of the stretch on your hamstring. Tighten and adjust the strap so that you're uncomfortable but not in pain. You can take the non-strapped leg and place it against your knee under the strap to add stretch to the other leg. You can tuck the non-loop leg behind your back, making sure the heel is touching your buttocks. Lean forward to increase the stretch. If you want the stretch to be more intense, bend the knee and tighten the straps. You can extend your back leg behind you in a front split. You can tighten or loosen the straps depending on your range of flexibility. Lean forward, breathe, and try to relax into the stretch. Place the padded section of strap over your shoulders behind your neck. Place one loop on each foot. Put one hand on either side of your front leg. Look towards that leg. Bend your back knee, tighten the strap to a point where you're feeling a stretch. Extend your leg and lean backwards. This will pull your lead toe backwards while allowing your front foot to stay forwards. Lower your ear towards your front knee. This will work your whole front split and split turnout. Place one loop on one of your feet. Place the padded section of strap over the same side shoulder. Let it run down behind your back. Place the other loop over your back foot. Put one hand on either side of your front leg under the strap and extend your back leg out as far as it will go. If you can't straighten your back leg, loosen the strap. Place one loop on your extended leg. Bend the other leg. Wrap the padded section behind your back and let it go under your bent, non-extended leg. Reach behind your head and grab the other loop. Tighten the strap, extend your leg, and feel the stretch. Place the padded section behind your back. Run the loop over the top of your thigh, under the bottom of your calf, and over the very top, the ball, of each of your feet. Do this on both sides. Adjust the length of the strap. Straighten your legs. Relax your hips, and let the strap turn your legs out so that you're stretching into a split with your hips turned out. For a pointed foot split, or to work your arch, place the padded section on your back and place the loops not over the ball of your foot, but on your heel. Straighten your legs and let your legs extend. Not only will this help with your turnout, but will help point your toes in the split position as well. Place one loop on one leg. Run it up the same side of your body, behind your back, and run it over the opposite shoulder. Adjust the straps so that you're in a comfortable position. Lie on your back and place the other loop over the other leg. Extend the leg, adjust the strap for comfort, and stretch. Extend the leg and hold that position. Place one loop over your standing foot. Run the strap up behind your back and over your opposite shoulder. Adjust the strap to make sure the size is right for the stretch you want to get. Place the strap over your shoulder and place the other loop over your kicking leg. Extend the leg out in front of you until you get a stretch. If you don't get enough stretch, bend the knee, pull on the strap, tighten it, and then re-extend the leg so that it's up higher. Keep your arm up so the strap doesn't fall off your shoulder. The side kick position is much like the front kick position. Loop the strap around the standing foot. Pivot the standing foot towards the wall. Run the strap behind your back and over the non-kicking side shoulder. Place the other loop on your foot and extend it, keeping your kicking side arm up so the strap doesn't fall off your shoulder. This will force you to keep your hand up when you kick. Extend, pull it back, adjust the strap if you want to go higher, and extend again. To loop the strap on the bar, place one side over the top of the bar. Take the other side and place one loop through the other loop. Pull it until it's tight, holding on to the bar. Make sure it's not twisted. Stand in front of where the strap is looped onto the bar. Run the strap over your outside shoulder, your opposite shoulder. Pick up your outside leg, your kicking leg, and place your foot through the loop. Extend it and relax. Bend the knee, tighten the strap, and extend again until you're at the point where you're feeling a good stretch. Relax and breathe. Much like the front kick, stand in front of where the strap is looped onto the bar, but pivot your standing foot towards the wall. Place the kicking side loop over your shoulder and onto your kicking side leg. Extend the leg, keeping your hips turned over and your butt cheek pointing towards your target. Chamber your leg into your chest, pull the strap, and extend until you're feeling a stretch. Stand with both shoulders facing the bar. Place the strap over one of your shoulders, run it down your back, and place it on the leg opposite the shoulder the strap is going over. Point your standing foot towards the bar, both shoulders, and put both hands on the bar. Extend your leg behind you with the toes pointing downwards. The strap will lift your leg up and stretch the front of your leg and hips. To tighten the strap, bend your knee, pull on the strap over your shoulder, and extend it. Place the strap around your waist. Take both loops together and place them on the outside foot, the kicking foot. Extend the leg out in front of you after you've done this. The strap will hold your leg up. Bend your knee and tighten the strap to make your leg go higher and increase your stretch. Repeat this as many times as you need to get a good solid stretch in the bottom of your leg. You can remove the strap and start over, or to switch into a side kick stretch, you can adjust the strap so your leg goes more to your side and pivot your standing foot so that your hip turns over. For the back kick stretch, You can adjust the strap again without putting your leg down, or you could put your leg down. Put both hands on the bar, point both shoulders towards the bar, and extend the leg out behind you. Adjust the strap as needed. This video is brought to you by the Size Stretcher, the ultimate stretching partner. It holds you in many stretch positions so that you can focus on relaxing your muscles and training your spindle to recognize new lengths. Available on Amazon. Please don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe. And please check out the other videos on my YouTube channel.